Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig and Suzy Sheep saying goodbye. Let's start drawing. Start with Suzy Sheep's eyes. Then draw her face. Her mouth and her cheeks. Next, draw the crown on Suzy's head. Then draw her body. Draw her hand. Does it look like Suzy is holding something? Oh, that's a photo, right? She looked very sad when she had to say goodbye to Peppa Pig. Next, we draw Peppa Pig, starting with her eyes. Her nose. Her face. Two ears. Her cheeks and her mouth. Next, draw Peppa Pig's body and her hands. Her feet. Her tail. Finally, we draw a picture in Suzy Sheep's hand. That was a memory between Suzy Sheep and Peppa Pig. They have a wonderful friendship. Oh, Peppa Pig and Suzy are crying. Peppa Pig and Suzy, don't be sad anymore. Then we will meet again soon. Now let's coloring together. I painted Peppa Pig's face, arms, legs, and tail in light pink. Next, color Peppa Pig's dress in light red. Suzy's dress. It's still this pink color that I used to color Peppa Pig's cheeks. Paint the crown using yellow, red, and green. Paint the tears using blue. Finally, let's color the picture in Suzy's hand. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!